Up your ROI without upping your budget with our powerful new e-commerce tools. Now available for Shopify, Wix, and WooCommerce, the Mailchimp site tracking pixel unlocks more behavioral triggers to automate your revenue. AI-powered predictive insights help you see up to 2 times more revenue by showing you who's ready to buy and who you need to re-engage. Reach shoppers on the channel they use most with Mailchimp SMS, now live in 37 countries, including 34 across Europe. Turn site visitors into subscribers instantly with instant opt-in and expand your reach internationally. We've got all your marketing tools built with e-commerce in mind and backed by award-winning support for proven results like these. Sync your store, let your data do the selling, and see up to 30 times ROI with our e-commerce tools.